Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here in Stephenville, Texas, getting ready to be in the parade.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country into it. Lone Star Rider.
Alright, I got my trailer all decked out and my motorcycle all decked out for the 4th of July parade here in Stephenville. And I think we got enough flags. Don't you think? Enough flags. Alright, let's go get in line. Yes, ma'am, 110.
110.
Right you.
Perfect.
I don't know where you want me to put it.
Just kind of hold it up to your right.
I cannot hold it up while I am right. Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here in Stephenville, Texas at the Stephenville 4th of July parade. And check out this line here. They have over 100 entries for this parade. Of course, there's my entry. The theme is superheroes. Of course, I didn't do superhero. Did 4th of July. See how far this goes down. Got us double lined up. I'm sure we'll go into single file. Oh my, all the way down there. Hello. All right, the parade just started and it's all the way from there, the line, over there, over here, to here. And back there. This is a long parade. This parade is so long, it started about 20 minutes ago and we're still sitting here. Awesome. There's a lot of entries here. I mean, I am towards the back, but still, it's a lot. They're still moving over there. Starting to move.
Lone Star riding, riding for a cure.
Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here in Stephenville, Texas at the Stephenville Park for the fireworks tonight, and I have a spot, a vendor spot actually, and it's pretty cool. So I'm all ready for this evening's event. There's my spot. This should be filled up with people this evening. They got lawnmower races way over there. I don't know what that is. Got bands going on over there. And they're going to have fireworks here later. Oh, damn, that one's fast. Never seen a lawnmower go that fast. It's got a motorcycle engine in it. It has 2 motors in it. So they just get trophies, prizes, or what?
Trophies. They get first, second, and third trophies for the classes stock,
Okay.
single modified, twin modified, and super modified. And then there's a top eliminator. There's a top eliminator for just the lawnmowers, and then there's a top eliminator for the super modified.
Howdy, y'all. Lone Star Rider here. I'm here in, where am I? Howdy, y'all. Lone Star Rider here. I'm here in Stephenville, Texas. Truck coming by. It's recording. It's kind of hard to tell. Fiestas, the what's the word I'm trying to say?
Lone Star